Dear viewers, right now we have with us Sandeep Srivastava from Ency, which is into the robotic CAD cam,
CAD, yeah.
And he's on his way to this IMTEX 2026. We are asking him straight questions about how he is viewing this very event. Sir, give us a perspective from your company, how you are looking at this very big event, IMTEX forming 2026.
Yeah, so this is our second time that
Okay.
Ency Software has put up the stall here.
Okay.
Last time also we were there in 2025.
Okay.
In fact, that time it was a smaller stall and
Oh.
now we have grown. So
Oh.
that's why you can see that India is growing with the manufacturing and we are
Very
having
good.
a good time here. And as our PM says, that made in India. So I think we are definitely indulged into that motto and we are putting up a lot of efforts into India and nearby country. And I see farming is also growing. Last 2 years back, when I saw farming, it was a little smaller than this. I think a lot of people will visit and exhibit. This is the first day, and definitely by second, third day, we will have a lot of people visiting our stall and farming as well.
So you already mentioned about the Prime Minister's vision of Make in India, and I want to know, government has a larger, Prime Minister has made it very clear that 25% of Indian GDP should come from manufacturing. From that perspective, what should be the game plan of NZ going forward? Can you elaborate a bit on that, sir?
Yes, so if you look at, so we started this company 30 years back in Europe.
Very good.
And this NC, what you see, this is a product which started only 3 years back.
Okay.
But we are getting into the automation
Okay.
and CAD cam, robotics, which is pretty new thing in India and across the world. And we are tying up with a lot of OEMs, the dealers, partners across India. And definitely, as you said, that the vision for manufacturing in India is to grow at 25% up to GDP of
Minimum,
25%.
minimum.
Yeah, so right now we are at 16-17%.
Correct.
So definitely you see this, maybe another 5-6 years we will be there. And if I talk about perspective of NC, I think we have around 100 of customers right now.
Okay.
But definitely we want to leapfrog every year, we want to double this count today. And we had a very good year last year as well.
Okay.
Though the calendar year has ended, but our financial year is going on.
Coming back to this, the policy format, I want to ask you a straight question. The MSME contribution is also growing in manufacturing space. Government is very particular about that, so that they are also come up with what you call sourcing policy. They are also come up with a solid MSME financing funding policy. For MSME companies, what are the solutions that you have for them specifically? Can you tell me a bit on that, sir?
We work primarily on the MSME companies, if you look at, because
Yeah.
we are not really looking at a very big giants today as
Okay.
such, because they will definitely require this solution. But we see that MSME who has been struggling with their operations efficiency, we want to make them efficient in the market and to contribute into exports, which definitely MSME is looking at how to get more dollars or ruble into India.
Okay.
So that is our aim. And if you look at our 80% of our customers are MSMEs today.
Okay, very good. So the point is that many entrepreneurs, especially startup companies, are also coming to this very function, that is MTEX forming. So what is your advice to them, how they should look at the event and the ongoing, interactive seminars and exhibitions? How should they capitalize on it? What is your advice to them?
If you talk about startup in India,
Okay.
and startup, just few days back, PM Modi also talked about startup 1 decade now into
Yeah.
it. And startup is doing a great job, definitely for India and NC as well. So we are giving a discounted rate to startups,
Okay.
so that they do not have to fund and worry about the finances as such.
Absolutely.
And definitely government is helping on startups. If you look at this exhibition, you get everything out here. All the sourcing material, the machines you require, the solution from the hardware, software, everything is out there. I think this is the best platform, one as a startup or anyone can visit this and they can buy, because this comes twice in a year, or once in 2 years basically. So definitely this will go in a big way, helping them to how to continue starting up the company.
So in the context of IMTEX forming 2026, India want to become a powerhouse in manufacturing in the space of, in space sector up to agriculture related manufacturing. So we need a lot of innovations to happen in this diverse field of manufacturing. Can you summarize what is the need of the hour? What is the mandate of India to the world so that India will become the largest economy in the world?
I think if you talk about the economy and everything, I am a small man contributing into it. But definitely, what we see everybody across India are definitely giving their best. MSMEs are at the best.
My question is straight. India want to be number one nation
Yeah, yeah.
GDP wise.
So, see, first of all, you need to look at where we are comparing with the number 1, 2, 3. We are number 4 right now.
Correct.
Definitely, we'll go number 3 in another 2 years.
Absolutely,
down the
thank you,
line.
sir.
And yes, US and India and China, definitely. I think we will be the top 3. Whether you become number 1 today or after 10 years, it's a path. You have to do it. But I think whatever we are doing right now, or the country or the government is doing, enhancing the kind of the portfolio that is coming right from agriculture as you start up, and a lot of startups has gone into agriculture as well as in the space industry, drones and all. I see a lot of people getting into it, and it's not only that. I have seen a lot of incubation in IITs.
Very good.
And a lot of engineering colleges, they have an incubation center and they are helping it right now.
Very good. Thank you, sir, for talking to
What's your good
NFA.
name?
My name is Vijay Kumar. Thank you for talking to NFAPostTV.
Thank you.
Stay connected. So
Have a good farming.
Thank you, sir. So we have a nice conversation with Sandeep Srivastava, who encapsulated India's journey to be the giant GDP powerhouse in the world using technology prowess. And we will take and implement what he said so that Indian policymakers, from startups to politicians, should imbibe the fundamental principle that he just now revealed to us. With cameraman Girish Kumar, Vijay Kumar signing off from IMTEX 2026, IMTEX Farming 2026 at Bangalore, India. Thank you all.
Thank you.